Hello everyone. Today we are showing that how to put lock in a laptop. So first we should press start button. If you have any name, then you press your name. Means when you will on your laptop, that time some name will come to welcome you. Then you press that name and write it's written here change account settings. Press to that. Then you press sign in options. We have put a password, that's why they will show here. So I was telling that they will ask change because I have put it already password. If you have not put it, then they will ask here. So press that change or add. Then they are asking password from me. So I am putting the password. So here I'll put the password. So see here, they are asking password to put. If you will put password, then laptop will be locked when you will on the laptop. So here, in new password, you should not use caps lock. If you will use, then when you will on your laptop, that time also caps lock should be on. See here, I'll show you. See, first I have put it open. Then here also you should put open only for confirm your password that you will be remembered or not. Then you should put hint. If you have forgotten, then you can get hint that you have this password is there. See, I'll put your wrong hint because from that nobody will get that password is open only. Then I'll press next. Then local account this and all. Then finish we should press. Now you can see they are showing changing your password. Now you can see if you want another method also I can show. First you go to settings. Please 1 minute. First you can go to settings. Click on start button. Then you write here settings. And enter. And you should write here sign in options. Here change the sign in requirements. Then it came and you can use that step which I have told you first only. Thank you.